Hey there! If you've been following along, you've already learned how to register your bot in SmartBotsLand and complete the initial setup. Now it's time to take things to the next level. In this video, we'll dive into the powerful admin section of your bot, the place where you manage everything behind the scenes. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to manage your subscription bot like a pro, and keep your VIP channel or group running smoothly. Let's jump in. As the bot owner, you'll see an button in your bot's menu. When you tap on it, you'll get access to a range of tools to manage your subscription bot. Let's walk through each one. Extension or upgrade. Your bot comes with a 7-day free trial to explore all the features. Once the trial ends, you'll need to upgrade your bot to continue using it. When you tap the upgrade button, you'll see 3 different payment methods. Just choose the one that works best for you and complete the payment. As soon as your payment is confirmed, your admin panel will be upgraded automatically, and you can keep managing your subscription bot without interruption. Just to your subscription plans? No worries, it's super simple. Just tap the Edit Plans button, then click on Edit. This will open a web app where you can manage all your plans with ease. Inside the web app, you can change the price, perfect if you want to offer a better deal. Adjust the duration, make plans longer or shorter based on what works best. Delete a plan you no longer need. Want to give someone free access to your VIP channel or group? Here's how to do it. First, enter how many people you want the VIP code to work for. Next, choose how many days they can stay in your channel or group for free. Once you confirm, the bot will generate the VIP codes for you. You can then share those codes with your users. They can enter the code and join without paying. It's a great way to reward special users or offer limited time access. Now that your plans are set, let's talk about how you'll get paid. In this section, you'll choose your currency and payment method. You've got 2 options. Coin payments, great for online payments, including crypto. Manual payment, your users send you a receipt, and you manually approve their access. It's super simple to set up, and you can go with whatever works best for your setup. The reports section helps you keep track of everything that's happening in your subscription bot. You can see a complete list of users who have subscribed through your bot and joined your channel or group, so you'll always know who your active members are. It also shows a detailed transaction history, including who made a payment, how much they paid, and when. Got a question or ran into a problem? No worries, we've got your back. Just tap the support button, and you'll be connected with our SmartBotsLand team. Need full control over your subscription bot? Just tap the Admin Panel Info button. You'll see 2 helpful options. Log into the admin panel. This gives you a direct link to your bot's admin panel, where you can manage everything in more detail. Reset password, forgot your password? No problem. Just click this button to receive a new password by email and get back into your admin panel quickly. Now that you know how to use the admin tools, make sure to watch our next video to learn how to manage your subscription smoothly.